Lesson 18: AI Mistakes, when intelligence fails to understand. Artificial intelligence is considered highly advanced, but it is important to understand that it's not immune to error. In fact, because AI systems are based on probabilities and pattern recognitions, they may fail in unexpected situations or when exposed to unfamiliar data. First, remember that AI does not understand information like humans do. It performs sophisticated statistical analyses of data, but it lacks genuine understanding of meaning contents or moral values. For example, an image recognition system might mistakenly identify a cat in a picture of cake if cakes with similar patterns appeared frequently in the training data. The error doesn't stem from negligence. It's simply because the system doesn't actually know what a cat is. One key cause of fail is poor training data. If a facial recognition system is trained only on images of a specific population, for example, men, it will likely struggle to recognize women. Another cause is ambiguity. AI systems often struggle with incomplete data, unclear language, or content they've never encountered. For instance, a language model like ChatGPT may produce fluent but incorrect text if the input question is vague or based on outdated information. It's important to understand the system isn't relying on purpose. It simply lacks the ability to verify facts. It generates possible responses based on statistical patterns not true. A relevant example is the use of AI to write resumes or recommendation letters. There are cases where the system invents details, lists non-existent degrees, or adds achievements that never happened. Even if the intent is positive, the outcome can damage the user's credibility. It is highly recommended to review AI-generated content before using it officially. Another critical issue is overconfidence. Sometimes the model responds with high certainty, even when it's wrong. This is well known in language models, where the system provides a confident answer to a complex questions, even if FD requires knowledge. For instance, if asked about events that occurred after its training cutoff, the model may fabricate a response without stating that it doesn't know. So how can we handle AI mistakes? First, ensure the training data is accurate, diverse, and relevant. Second, incorporate human quality control into an AI-based decision-making processes. Lastly, be aware of the system's limitation. Know when to use it as a support tool and when a human should make the final decision. Understanding AI's limitation is not just a coping strategy. It is a condition for responsible usages. Only when we understand when the boundaries lie, we can use AI safely, ethically, and intelligently. In the next lesson, we will review real-world case studies, both successes and failures, and learn how to implement AI responsibly.